Hey guys, it's me, Elena, and today I'm my squishy. So I named her Meow Meow, and she's so squishy. Like literally so squishy. And I forgot where I got her from. Well, they have some at Walmart, but I didn't get her from Walmart. And I got it from Just for Girls, and really squishy. So yeah, you can get yours at Walmart or Just for Girls, but Just for Girls costs a lot. This one costs $18.60. Very expensive. So yeah, bye guys.